So the Samsung Galaxy S10 is the next incredible product by the company for year 2018, and it looks like there's a great strategy in this story. We do know how important is it for Samsung to boost sales, but good sales require good products at a competitive pricing. That's what Samsung is gonna adopt for next big launch. According to a report out of Korea, the upcoming S10 will feature a new flat display. However, there should be no quality compromise with this comeback, but these ones will not look as attractive as the current curved displays. If you want a more beautiful device like the S9, you'll have to spend some more money out of the pocket. Yup, this decision is only limited to the cheapest S10 variant, as there will be 3 more variants of the beast that will be priced at a much higher level. Samsung has made this cost-cutting decision to rival with the XR, OnePlus 7 and a lot more devices at that particular range. Also, you shouldn't be getting any negative thoughts about the display, as the company is known for this tech and they will not take any bad steps for the Galaxy S10 Lite. Now, the report do confirm display sizes for each and every S10. The S10 Lite will feature a 5.8-inch display, which is similar to the S10 except a minor flat to curved differentiation, while the S10 Plus will feature a giant 6.2-inch display. There are no major specs leak for these phones, but I expect a couple of changes that will help Samsung to maintain gaps between these devices. There will be a lot of smartphones with insane camera implementations next year, and Samsung do know their position in this aspect. The company needs to fulfill customers' demand, and for that, Samsung may unveil a 6-camera phone with 5G compatibility next year. This will be the highest priced S10 with a quad camera setup on the back and a dual camera setup on the front. I'm very much excited to see how that implementation will take place, as Huawei will also unveil the P30 Pro with a rear quad camera implementation next year. So yeah, there will be a lot of competition, and tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.